The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a tornado warning for southeastern NUECES County in south-central Texas until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed waterspout was located near Osa Bay moving toward land, or near Corpus Christi, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near CHRISTI Spawn Hospital South around 9:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include CCNAS. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.